Hey, welcome, welcome to all. Welcome to all. Now I am going to give a training about what is meant by a shapes, custom shapes, and default shapes. So when you are going to the shape panel, window shapes, you can see a lot of default shapes are available. So if you want web, you can just type web. So web-based shapes will be available here. So you can go through each and every shape. I'm removing this. So these are wild animals. Lot different types of shapes are available here. Um, how to use these shapes? That is another thing. So these are the verb shapes. How to use it? Home button, previous, next. You can just drag and drop it. And if you want to edit, double click this. You can give to change the color also. If you don't want the fill color, you can put it as normal. Then you can put it as stroke. You can increase the stroke size. Okay, this is a way you can work on shapes and everything. So one thing is that in shapes panel, what we are doing, same way you can also just drag and drop it. After that, you just if you click like this, it will go like this. This is not correct. So you need to always uh, press caps lock. Always press shift. Sorry, always press shift. Then only it will proportionately aspect ratio will maintain. Okay, one more thing I'll tell you. If you want aspiration you need to maintain, what we need to do, you just drag and drop it. Then you need to shift, hold any location, you can aspect ratio, you can maintain it. So it is both sides will increase. So whatever things you want, everything is available here. Uh, I'm deleting this, then I am searching the item, search button. So search button is available. Just drag and drop it is. Select shift, you can increase or decrease the size. You can change the color, double click it, double click this one, then you go to here, appearance mein, you can change the color. Any color you can change it. So these things you are mainly used for what you can say for the mobile designs or web designs, or you can use all these shapes. A lot of legacy shapes. We can search it and you can use it. So here also a lot of designs are available. Which one you want, you can. So here I am not selected the size of the outer. And this will take a lot of memory, but when you are using it, you need to must think about that. So this is the way you can able to maintain, you can create the shapes. Then if you want to create your own shapes, so can see that lot of shapes here. But you think that I want to use create some shapes. I want to reusable shapes like this. How to do that? You can easily do that. It is. You can do that and you can create. Say, I this is my buttons. Think about I am drawing a button using shape. My button is always like this. One type of button is this. Another type of button I am always using on this type. So another button I am using like this. Another button this type. I'm going to use minimizing this chain. Sorry, I'm going to be here 30, here also 30. Okay, now I have four button styles I need to preserve with this. Just one thing you need to do. So edit, not pattern, define, edit, define a custom shape. Button one. You can create it. Okay. So button one is created. So I don't want to create here. So I'm deleting here. Um, Tigris. Now I am selecting this folder. Then I am selecting edit, define custom shape. I am saying button one. Then I am again edit, define shape, button two, rounded. Edit, define shape, button outer. Edit, define shape, button rounded two corner. So now you can see I have created all these buttons. I'm deleting this and just drag and drop it. You can you can see that I can reuse it. I'm saying done. While drag and drop, this is asking you want to in a different. So this is a way you can create different buttons. And another thing, I want a different shape button. Okay, so what is I can do that? I'm going here. I'm drawing this. Then I'm clicking this. And I'm press shift and spacebar. I'm ready. Sorry, don't want to shift. I want alt. Sorry, I'm deleting this. I just select and alt. So you can it is reached as a minus. I'm shift, then I'm again press. Okay, now it is. Okay, now I want to save this button. Select, define a custom shape, button with round. So now I am deleting this. Whenever I record, I can just drag and drop this. I can utilize this button for multiple things. Okay, I am deleting this. I want to create another button. So what the button I am going to create it. Again, I am going to select this shape. Then You can change the color. I am not changing the color for a long time. Then I am selecting this. Okay, then I am selecting again rectangle. I am pressing Alt and space bar also. Then only we can move it. Oh my god, I am not. And press Alt. I am not pressed correctly on this. Sorry, I am done a mistake here. I am not separate I drawn. This is my the first one. Press Shift. I need to draw here this one. Now it is a single layer. Again I am press. Now I need to press Alt. So now it is come as a minus button. Okay, now it is correct. You know what the mistake I done last time. So now this is created as one home button. So what you need to select this. You can here also you can merge the shape components. We can do. After that it is a component. Then you can go edit or define a custom shape. Then home. So home is added. What you need to do? Whenever you want this home, I'm deleting this. Yeah, I don't have this home now. I'm deleted. But I want the same replica. Just drag and drop it. Press shift, you can reduce which size you require, you can and press enter. This would work. Okay, so now I need a previous and next button. What we need to do? Again, you need to go to the shapes. Here you can do 90-degree. Okay, then you can go and duplicate. Duplicate what you do? Alt and click. Press Alt and drag or Option enter. Then you can go this button. So automatically it will flip horizontal. This is a very nice tool. Okay, now it is here. Click it. If you want, you can select this with, you can merge. Otherwise, you can go edit, define shape, previous and next. So now you understood I have created, see in this folder, I have created how many things. This is called, you can create your items like this. Whenever you want, you can use your icons. Okay, done. You need to press again, drag and drop. Then press done. Again, drag and drop. Then you can press done. So now you can use as much as your own icons like this. And you can use anytime, anywhere. Then this is come as a different icon. So thank you for watching. Create one icon group like this and forward to me. Then you will learn how to create the icons using Shape. And another one here also there is a custom shape tool. You can direct selection, you can do whatever the selection. No custom shape we can made any tool. Then here also we can add it on the define edit, define custom shape. Then arrow. It is added here. So anytime just drag and drop plus select done. So anytime you can utilize this one for any designs or any. So this is a way you can create multiple. Otherwise, sometimes you can also see that some icons. I'm removing everything from here. Okay, I'm just clicking and dragging here. I'm selecting Alt. Now you can see Alt and Shift. So now it is amazing, right? You can create whatever you want. Now what you need to do, edit, then define shape, round. So what I'm deleting this, just drag and drop this, Control Shift, you can reduce it. So this is a way, whatever the things you want to create, you can easily create with custom shapes. You can create it. And again, any shapes you draw any shape. If you draw any shape, then you can use pen tool. Then you can convert it. Then you can convert as a shape. So I think you understood very clearly how to create shapes and how to merge the shapes, then utilize it. So this is a very amazing tool. It's interesting, right? Shape was very difficult when you start learning, but very simple. And one more thing I'll tell you. This is I'm also you struggle. You will also struggle on that. If I want to place something on the center here, so I am pressing Alt. Now I am here. Okay. Now, after pressing Alt, you need to press spacebar. If you want to circle, you need to space shift also. Then you need to move. You can move anywhere. So still it is a minus button. Then you need to think where you need to want. Then you need to delete it. So one more time I'll tell you. So any shape you want, I am drawing that shape. Press Alt. I draw the shapes. If it is one circle, I'm pressing Shift and Alt. Then I am space bar. So if spacebar will press, you can move. Shift and Alt plus spacebar, you can move anywhere. Then exact place you need to find it out, then release it. So this is a way you can easily work on this. So don't forget what are the tools you need to identify that. So I did first Alt to draw, hold Alt, then press Shift plus Shift to uh, accept ratio. You can maintain that. Space bar to move the object. Okay, thank you for watching. Please create again. This also you can convert to edit, define custom shape. Then I'm deleting everything. I'm deleting this. Okay, I have given a proper video, but this is a little bit long video. But it's very important. You can create the shapes using what are the shapes available and new shapes, and you can create a shapes. You can change the shapes. Everything you can do, and you can reuse the shape. So that's why it's a long video. Please practice this, then the shape tool under your control. And without practice, you will not achieve anything in Photoshop. Please practice. Okay, thank you for watching.